I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by ISEE Hair. Once again, I love this brand. They never stir me wrong, so let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, you open it up like a gift. So I'm showing you guys the hair right out of the packaging. This is a water wave texture unit and this length is a 22 inch. This is their 360 lace wig, you guys. Look how beautiful this texture is. It is super soft, so pretty. Like I was amazed but not surprised. Like look how great this quality of this lace is. It's pre-plucked for you, pre-cut. When I say plucked to perfection, plucked to perfection. Now this, like I said, is a 360 lace unit. Here is the tag. I just removed it, and it comes with this drawstring, which I'm going to speak more about in the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy to do. This basically locks down and secure the 360 lace all the way around, and then you also have double security with this band here that you can adjust. So this is what makes it easier. And you also have this comb in the back that you can remove and put back whenever you feel. So that's a good thing that you can remove it and put it back on. Now look how the back of this unit looks. It is lace all the way in the back, all the way around, which is going to be really pretty for updos like ponytails and things like that. So this unit is super versatile. You have a lot of versatility with this unit, which I love. Like look how amazing that lace looks all the way around, okay? And I wanted you guys to see how great this lace melts on the skin. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks on the back of my hand. I went ahead and placed the unit on, and you guys can see how good this unit is plucked. I didn't have to cut the lace because, like I said, it came pre-cut, so everything was basically ready to install. I went ahead and clipped the hair up, and I went ahead and, you know, laid down this lace with a little bit of spray. You don't need too much. This lace lays down really flat, but towards the ear area it does get a little bit more flabbier, so I would suggest using a little bit of spray. That's all you need. You don't need any type of like harsh glue because it lays down really good on its own. So after I took that off, it just melts down even better. Like look how amazing the hairline looks. It looks super natural. Do not pay attention to the residue of the glue that was from a past wig, but besides that, everything looks good on the unit. The hair is so soft. I love the texture. Like oh my gosh. And I was amazed that I didn't have to pluck it throughout the hair. So whenever I want to part it wherever I can, so whatever you part this unit, you do not have to pluck it. It comes ready for you to just part and mold in place wherever you want to part, okay? So that's another thing that I love about this unit. Like ISEE Hair never stirs me wrong. Like they really don't. The quality is there. I was so happy, so excited, because I was really ready to have another curly unit that I was going to wear almost every day. So this is what the back is giving. You don't see any type of tracks in the back. With the drawstring here, you're just going to literally drawstring it and pull it upward, and you're gonna feel when it's working. So when it's scrunching up, you're gonna feel it. That's when you know you're doing it right. And then you're just going to hide that elastic drawstring inside of the wig and you're good to go, okay? So that is just going to give you extra security, especially when you want to do your updos, and you know it's for the 360 lace. So this is what the hair looks like down. It's so fluffy. I went ahead and just finger combed the lace, the curls, and it became a little bit more bigger and fluffier and pretty. And then I put a little bit of of water on the top of the hair and a little bit of mousse you guys are going to see me use. During this time, I did adjust my baby hairs because I wanted to do some baby hairs for this style. So I went ahead and did that. And once the baby hairs are done, I'm going to come back and show you guys what's next. The baby hairs gave it more of a natural look. Like the hairline looked even more realistic once I did the baby hairs. Like, oh my gosh, like it was so pretty. It sleeked down so well. Like, look how cute this will be in a half up half down style. So I did do that style so you guys can see, and there was no track showing. There was literally just the lace, and that looked like scalp, so I never had a problem with that. So like, look how this looks if you put this in a ponytail, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, any style will just eat down, okay? Like, y'all, like ISEE Hair did its thing, and I'm not joking. I keep saying that, but like, oh my god, look at the quality. It was so full and so fluffy and so soft. I end up using a little bit of mousse, so you can use product in this hair, and mousse basically just molded it how I want it to go and made the hair even more softer. So I did do a half up half down style so you guys can see how this can give you so many ways of styling this hair. Like, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, like I literally am rocking this style right now, and I received so many compliments. I'm not even joking. It was just so cute and girly. Like, look how realistic this looks. Like, this looks like it's growing out of my scalp, not even kidding. Like, this is so cute. I am in love with the style. It's sleeked down really good, and the hair is super lightweight and comfortable to wear, so that's another plus. And then I'm going to show you guys another style that I did. I grabbed all of the hair and I did a whole like updo. So you can do this style, you can do whatever you please, like have fun with it. I sure did. I was just so happy with the hair, like, oh my gosh. So I'm basically going to show you guys how you can rock this all the way up. So I did take a little bit of hair. I wanted it to look like a messy, cute, fluffy bun. And that's exactly what I did. It was super quick and easy. I didn't have to do too much. Like, girl, like look how quick and easy that was. You can adjust it how you want to. This is how I wanted to wear it. And I just wanted to show you guys that you can fully put this up in a bun. Of course, I will try doing it in a different way later on in the future, but this was super cute, y'all. Like, OMG, look how cute that is. So I would definitely grab this hair. Everything will be listed down below in the description. Let me know your thoughts on this hair. It's super cute, great quality, and baby, you're gonna love it if you get it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.